Hello and welcome. I went for a drive early this morning, very early this morning, and of course, what? Oh dear. What did I get? Oh, what did I get? Well, of course, it's a Commodore 64. It is in the box. Supposedly the original box. The sleeve is a little mangled, but you know, who wouldn't be after all this time? Oh, looky. Lovely picture, though. Oh, lovely picture. So I will set that down. I'm going to do some quick videos here. So we're going to unbox this and see what we have. Alright, firstly, looky. It's a Boss joystick. That will need to be tested. Ooh, it's a cartridge. Zone Ranger by Activision. I don't believe I've ever even heard of this. Oh yeah. It's the TV switcheroony. Not often used anymore, but still possibly. Alright, so we have original styrofoam. I'll keep that in the box. And we have, the sacred warranty card from Commodore. Sacred, or important. You must turn off your computer before inserting or removing cartridges and connectors or accessories, such as dataset, joystick, etc., in order to prevent serious damage. And there is some discs here. Okay, now my hands are full. Alright, anything else? No. So there. We have unboxed the 64 and kind of failed at closing the box. Okay. Now, I did see a serial number. Let's just check and see. Is it the original box? Yes, it is. Cool. Alright, now, I will put this down. So there. We have unboxed a Commodore 64. And what do we do next? Well, stay tuned, and you will see. Thanks for coming. David Bradley, signing off.